Think about a time you took an aspirin for a headache, or used an antibiotic to fight off an infection. These simple actions are often taken for granted, yet they are the result of years of research and development. These everyday actions represent the culmination of a complex and fascinating process, the creation of pharmaceutical drugs. The journey from a concept in a scientist's mind to a pill in your hand is long and intricate. Medicines have revolutionized healthcare, transforming once fatal diseases into manageable conditions. Diseases that were once considered death sentences are now treatable, thanks to the advancements in medical science. From simple pain relievers to life-saving cancer treatments, drugs play a crucial role in maintaining and improving human health. They alleviate pain, cure infections, and manage chronic conditions, enhancing the quality of life for millions. The ability to target specific ailments with tailored medications is a testament to scientific ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of better treatments. Researchers work tirelessly, analyzing data and conducting experiments to develop effective drugs. Behind each pill, capsule, or injection lies a journey that begins in the laboratory and ends at your local pharmacy. This journey involves rigorous testing, clinical trials, and regulatory approvals to ensure the highest standards of safety and efficacy. This journey involves numerous steps, each carefully orchestrated to ensure the safety and efficacy of the final product. Quality control is paramount, with technicians meticulously testing each batch to meet stringent guidelines. Understanding the science behind drug development allows us to appreciate the complexity and importance of this endeavor. The molecular structures and chemical formulas are the building blocks of life-saving medications. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our unwavering commitment to improving global health. Collaboration among healthcare professionals worldwide ensures that the best treatments are available to everyone, regardless of location. The impact of modern medicine is evident in hospitals and clinics around the world, where patients receive treatments that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. The progress in medical science continues to push the boundaries of what is possible. As we look to the future, the potential for new and innovative treatments is limitless. With ongoing research and technological advancements, the next breakthrough in medicine could be just around the corner, offering hope and healing to countless individuals. The story of modern medicine is one of perseverance, collaboration, and relentless pursuit of knowledge. It is a story that continues to unfold, driven by the shared goal of improving health and saving lives. The journey of drug creation often begins with identifying a need, a disease to cure, a symptom to alleviate, or a biological process to modify. Once a target is identified, the search for potential drug candidates begins. This initial stage can involve various approaches. Scientists may start by screening thousands of chemical compounds to see if any exhibit the desired effect. Others look to nature, exploring plants, marine organisms, and even venom for inspiration. Advances in genomics and proteomics have opened new avenues for drug discovery. By understanding the genetic and molecular basis of diseases, scientists can identify specific proteins or pathways to target. The goal is to find a molecule that interacts with the target in a way that produces a therapeutic effect. This molecule, known as a lead compound, forms the foundation for further research and development. Once a promising lead compound is identified, the next step is to synthesize it in the lab. This involves a series of meticulous and carefully planned steps. Organic chemists play a crucial role in this phase, designing and executing complex reactions to build the desired molecule. Their expertise in chemical reactions and molecular interactions is essential. Drug synthesis can be a challenging and iterative process. Each step must be optimized to ensure the highest possible yield and purity. Chemists often need to experiment with different starting materials, reagents, and reaction conditions to optimize the yield and purity of the target compound. This can involve numerous trials and adjustments. They may also modify the structure of the lead compound to improve its properties, such as potency, stability, or solubility. These modifications are crucial for the compound's effectiveness as a drug. As the synthesis progresses, researchers constantly monitor the compound's characteristics. This ongoing analysis helps ensure that the compound is developing as expected. This includes analyzing its structure, purity, and stability, ensuring it meets the required specifications for further testing. Advanced analytical techniques are employed to verify these parameters. Successfully synthesizing a drug candidate marks a significant milestone in the drug development process. It is a moment of celebration and a testament to the hard work and dedication of the research team. It paves the way for preclinical testing, where the compound's safety and efficacy are evaluated. This phase is critical, as it determines whether the compound can proceed to clinical trials and eventually become a viable drug for patients. Throughout the synthesis process, meticulous documentation is maintained. Researchers record every detail, from the materials used to the conditions applied, ensuring reproducibility and compliance with regulatory standards. Collaboration between chemists and biologists is also vital. While chemists focus on the synthesis, biologists provide insights into the biological implications of the compound, guiding necessary adjustments. The use of advanced equipment and technology further enhances the efficiency and precision of the synthesis process. From automated reactors to high-throughput screening, these tools are indispensable. Synthesizing drug candidates is just one part of the extensive drug development pipeline. Each step, from initial discovery to final approval, requires careful planning, execution, and collaboration across multiple disciplines. As researchers look forward to the next steps, the successful synthesis of a drug candidate brings hope and potential for new treatments that can improve and save lives. Before a new drug can be tested in humans, it must undergo rigorous preclinical testing. This is a critical phase in drug development. This phase aims to assess the compound's safety, determine its effectiveness, and ensure that it is not harmful. Scientists work meticulously to identify potential side effects that could pose risks to future patients. Preclinical studies are typically conducted in two stages: in vitro, in the lab, and in vivo, in living organisms. In vitro tests involve exposing cells or tissues to the drug candidate to observe its effects at a cellular level. These tests help scientists understand how the drug interacts with biological systems on a microscopic scale. In vivo studies, often using animal models, assess the compound's impact on a living system. These studies are crucial for understanding how the drug behaves in a complex organism. Researchers carefully monitor various parameters during these tests, including how the drug is absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and excreted by the body. This comprehensive monitoring helps ensure that the drug will perform as expected in humans. They also look for any signs of toxicity or adverse effects, which could indicate potential dangers. The data collected during preclinical testing is crucial for determining whether a drug candidate is safe and effective enough to move forward to clinical trials in humans. This data forms the foundation for the next phase of drug development. Without thorough preclinical testing, the risks of adverse effects in human trials would be significantly higher. Therefore, this phase is indispensable for ensuring the safety and efficacy of new drugs. Only after passing these rigorous tests can a drug candidate proceed to the next stage, clinical trials in humans, where its true potential will be further explored and validated.